This is Ranzi of Feel Fabulous with Food and Super Healthy Children. Thank you for joining me today. And my topic of the day is how to go and stay on a plant-exclusive lifestyle. From wherever you are, if you want to get there and stay there, that's what I'm going to discuss with you today. I am the director of the Vegan Certification Course and Holistic Health Coach since 1998. How to successfully transition to a plant-exclusive lifestyle. You want to come in to the vegan lifestyle for moral, ethical reasons. That is the most important reason to go vegan in the first place, is for moral, ethical reasons. People who leave this lifestyle, they do because they don't, first and foremost, come in for moral reasons. This is an openness, a consciousness, that you understand what's hidden in slaughterhouses and factory farms, and that you love and respect animals and their desire to live, just as you have a desire to live. All mothers love and adore their young. When we recognize they deserve to live, then it's so easy to transition to a plant-exclusive life. If we don't come to a plant way of eating for this reason, then it will be easy to leave veganism. Then it will always be easy to leave, because any time that you have a health challenge, you'll blame it on veganism. But if you come in from the moral, ethical aspect, that will be a non-issue. You will look for reasons why you're having a health challenge, and you will not be blaming it on your plant-exclusive lifestyle. Vegan diets are often unhealthy diets. And if they're not cleaned up of processed junk food, then it's highly possible that health challenges will happen. However, it is still much better to move to a vegan diet, no matter what the vegan diet is, and leave animal food behind. For the cruelty and reasons of animal rights, but also because animal foods are high in saturated fat and cholesterol, and they will get you in trouble. What are some things that you can do to come into a plant-exclusive lifestyle through moral and ethical reasons? First of all, understand you are protecting animals. It's not just loving your cat or your dog, but loving all animals: cows, pigs, chickens, turkeys, ducks. Loving them all. Go to a farm sanctuary. Get down and cozy with cows and pigs and see how intelligent they are, how loving they are with their babies, how they cry if their baby is removed. Make that strong connection. When you make that connection, it will be easier to come to a plant-exclusive lifestyle. And if you're interested in finding out how to become a health coach in the vegan niche, check the link in the description below.